Hey everyone, and welcome to the second Tech-Tok, brought to you by me, Clay Frank of We Are Us TV. A lot of people are recently jumping ship on copycat Streamlabs, moving over to Streamelements. Now, the first time I did it, I was overthinking absolutely everything, and it sucked, and was able to fix it today instantly almost. So let me show you guys how that looks now. When you guys first get to the website, this is what you're gonna see. The easiest thing is just to you like go over to my overlays. That's not the easiest thing. We're gonna go over my overlays, and a lot of people have it broken down to each of these overlays is the full scene. I don't like that. I spent too much time trying to resize it and move it and stuff like that, just so you can have one browser source in each scene, or nested scene, if you will. I don't do that. I try to keep it simple, stupid, or kiss, fall in love. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're going to click on your profile picture, go over to import, and we're going to import all of my information from Streamlabs. It's going to ask for you to enable the extension. So I'm going to export everything from Streamlabs to Streamelements. It's copying, done, cool. I'm back over to Streamelements. When I go to dashboard, until like log in and everything. When I click on streaming tools, my overlays, we're gonna see one that had just popped in there. That is the Streamlabs imported alert box. That's it. That copies literally everything from Streamlabs over that you've dialed in and everything that you've customized in your alert box for all that kind of stuff. Because if I go to emulate, you guys won't be able to hear the recording, but here's all the alerts already moved over. And I'm actually having some of them kind of automatically go through. So instead of making a huge browser source like 1080p, so you don't have to have multiple browser sources and stuff like that, I'm getting out of here. Thank you. So with this one, you would literally just rename it. Properties, rename it to just alerts. Let's do that right now. Properties, just alerts, just like that. So you can take this URL, not duplicate. You can take this URL and then post that into OBS. And that overrides your Streamlabs alerts for every scene that you have it. The other thing that you can do, so I have, there's the one allotted, don't put me struggling in there. So in another scene, I have chat open. So for new overlay, my chat window is still the height of 1080, but I always have the width of 600. That changes the canvas size. Add widget. I'm going to do stream tools, chat, and then any of these alerts, you can actually just resize them nicely right here. That was Ryan yawning. Thank you, Ryan. I don't know why I'm struggling on this one. Width of 600, height of 1080. And you can kind of play around with all of this too. So in settings, I can change it to just be a clear background for chat. Text size, make it as big or as small as you want. You can actually change your font as well easily that way. And then after I would save this, chat, I can just copy this link again, go back into OBS under the just chatting, And then for chat, here's my browser source, and I can just paste that link into here. And that's it. Instead of making full overlays and trying to dial in and trying to make sure that I have chat in the right location when I'm making the full 1080p overlay, this just makes it so much easier moving forward. So that way you don't have to have all of them built into one like widget. You just have multiple, just smaller browser sources. That's one little thing that I did to make it easier. I didn't want to overthink it anymore. Thank you all for watching. If you guys like the video, if this helped at all, please like the video, share it, comment, all that fun stuff. I try to be live as much as I can on my personal channel, twitch.tv/clayfrank. And then also we have very late night hangouts and talks and just joking around over at twitch.tv/wearesoltv. That is the main hub. Thank you all for watching. 07.